Hi folks, this is Max from rootgalaxynote.com. So today we're going to learn how to backup, install, and restore ROMs. And a lot of you seen my previous videos with other phones. For those of you new to Galaxy Note, you'll find this video very helpful. So I assume you've rooted your Galaxy Note and also you've installed Clockwork Mod Recovery. If you don't know how to do those, go to my site rootgalaxy. rootgalaxynote.com. I have all the instructions there, and once you've got it rooted and installed Clockwork Mod Recovery, you can launch Clockwork Mod Recovery. You can use the CWM app if you don't have it, like I don't here. Let's launch it into Clockwork Mod Recovery. So I'm going to turn it off, or actually I can just reboot it into it. But I'll show you how to do it using the manual method. Basically, you turn it off and hold down the volume up and the center button, and then hold down the power button. Alright, and then let go when you see the Samsung Galaxy Note GTN 7000 splash screen, and this should get you into Clockwork Mod Recovery. There we go. And let me adjust my camera real quick. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to backup and restore. And anytime you want to back up your current ROM, this backs up all your settings, apps, everything except for the contents in your internal storage. So backup and restore, hit the power button, and then hit backup, hit the power button, right? And this will back up your current ROM. I'm actually running a CM9's ICS ROM, so I'm backing that up. But I backed up my stock ROM before I installed the CM9. So the first thing after you root and after you install recovery is you want to back up your rooted stock ROM. Just in case something goes wrong, you can always restore using Clockwork Mod Recovery. CWM stands for Clockwork Mod Recovery. This completely backs up your whole system, so it's like, you know, it's like having a whole backup of your Windows system with all your programs, or your Mac OS X Lion with all your programs. But you know, the contents on your phone usually not that much, so you can save it. It usually ends up being under about a gig, maybe like 600 megabytes. So it's not too bad, and you can always move over your backed up folder to your hard disk to free up space on your phone. So you have many choices. Anyway, it's backing up, and I will be back when this is done, and I'll show you how you can switch between ROMs. I will go and restore my stock ROM that I backed up yesterday, and you can also switch back to this ROM, you know, back and forth. Alright, see y'all later. I'll be back. Hi folks, so it is done. So anytime you want to restore, that's how you back up ROM. What you do is back up try different ROMs and back up everything. So I'm gonna restore to my stock ROM, and you can also go rename these folders. It's in your internal storage, and it's under Clockwork Mod and / backup directory, where you can go and change the name. See, I've changed my it also timestamps when I saved it, which is January 2nd 2012, and I added stock for stock ROM, and the one I just backed up is the CM9. So I'm gonna restore my stock ROM just to show you, and this will restore my whole ROM before I installed my CM9. So it's restoring, it's checking MD5 sums, and it will restore. It'll take about like 5 minutes, so I'll be back when this is done. Hi folks, the restore is complete, and we can reboot system now, and let's see if we got my original stock rooted ROM back. You'll see the splash screen change from what was the ICS ice cream sandwich to the normal Galaxy Note. So that's the normal Galaxy Note, and it should boot up shortly. So this is how you can use Clockwork Mod Recovery to back up and restore ROMs. And it's just not for backing up, but it's also a way of switching between ROMs easy on the go. I can do this on the bus or on the plane, anywhere. And as you can see, I've restored my ROM within a matter of maybe like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Anyway, that's how you use Clockwork Mod Recovery. And you can also see all my apps are restored, just the way it was before I installed the CM9 ICS ROM. Anyway, I'll have more cool videos. Don't forget to check out rootgalaxynote.com. Alright, for more. Subscribe. See y'all later. Thanks. Bye-bye.